Here's how to diamond lace Old Skool Vans. Start by taking a hold of your lace, and we're going to feed one of the lace ends down through this very bottom eyelet here from above, just like that. And then we're going to bring it up through the eyelet on the other side from underneath, making sure there's no twists. So just wiggle that through underneath so it looks like this. You can pull that through, loosen this middle bit up a bit, bring your two lace ends together, grab a hold of your Vans, and just pull, and that will mean your laces will come out of equal length. If there's a twist, don't worry about it, just take a second to fix it before we carry on and get started with our pattern. Looking good. Then we're going to keep a hold of this lace, bring it over the sneaker tongue and down into the third eyelet up from the bottom on this side from above, just like this. And then keep a hold of it, and we're going to fill in this little empty eyelet here from underneath. Just like that. Then we're going to swap to our other lace, bring it over. Count 3 eyelets up on this side and bring the lace end down into this one from above. And then we're going to fill in this empty eyelet here by bringing the lace end up through it from underneath. Looking good. Then keep a hold of this lace, bring it over, and we're going to skip an eyelet and instead bring the lace end down into the one above that, just like we've been doing, and then keep a hold of the lace and fill in that empty eyelet. Now remember, you can play this video on a half speed or pause as much as you need to. Don't rush at all and just go at your own pace so you can get it right. Then we're going to swap to the other lace. Bring it over, skip an eyelet, and instead take it down into the one above that. Just like this. Then keep a hold of this lace end and bring it up through this empty eyelet on this side from underneath. Looking good. Repeat the pattern. Keep a hold of this lace, bring it over the sneaker tongue, skip an eyelet, and instead take the lace down into the one above that. Then bring the lace up through that empty eyelet from underneath. Smooth out your lace, bring it over, bring the lace end down into the empty eyelet, make sure you skip one, and bring this lace end up through that empty eyelet from underneath. Then we're going to finish off our diamond pattern by taking this lace, bringing it over the sneaker tongue and down into the very final eyelet from above, not skipping one this time because it's just the last one left. Swap to the other lace, bring it over and down into the final eyelet on this side from above. Then bring those two lace ends together, tie them in a little knot or a bow, and just tuck them down inside the sneaker behind the sneaker tongue, out of the way, and they'll just sit on top of your foot and you'll be able to slip your feet in and out without disturbing the pattern. Repeat on your other sneaker and you'll have an awesome pair of diamond lace Old Skool Vans. If you found the info in this video helpful, please hit the like button for me to help it reach more people, and consider subscribing for more sneaker lacing content. I have tons of videos available to help inspire you guys. Thanks.